Have you ever considered trying the carnivore diet? If the answer is yes, you're in the right place. This dietary approach, which involves eating only animal products and excluding all plant-based foods, might be a significant shift from your current eating habits. So we've compiled 10 tips to help you navigate your first time on the carnivore diet. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the basics. The carnivore diet requires you to consume meat, fish, eggs, and other animal-based products while avoiding plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Secondly, always consult a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet, especially one as restrictive as the carnivore diet. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual health needs. Thirdly, remember to start slowly. Gradually reduce plant-based foods from your diet over several days or weeks to give your body time to adjust to the changes. The fourth tip is to focus on quality. Opt for high-quality animal products such as grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, wild-caught fish, and organic eggs whenever possible. Fifthly, include variety in your diet. Incorporate different types of meats, fish, and animal-based fats to ensure a broader spectrum of nutrients. The sixth tip is to stay hydrated. Even on a carnivore diet, it's essential to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Seventh, monitor your electrolyte balance. With the reduction or elimination of plant foods, you may need to pay extra attention to your electrolyte levels. Eighth, listen to your body. Observe how your body responds to the carnivore diet and adjust your diet based on your individual feedback. Ninth, consider taking supplements. Despite the nutrient-rich carnivore diet, you may still need certain supplements such as vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, or magnesium. Always discuss supplementation with your healthcare provider. Lastly, keep track of your health metrics such as weight, body composition, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall well-being. Regular monitoring can help you assess the diet's impact on your health. So there you have it, the 10 tips to help you navigate your first time on the carnivore diet. Remember, the carnivore diet may not be suitable for everyone, and individual responses can vary widely. It's essential to prioritize overall health, nutrient adequacy, and long-term sustainability when adopting any dietary approach. Stay safe and happy dining.